Welcome back to Air Base Georgia, right here in Peachtree City, part of the Commemorative Air Force. My name's Philip, and we've been having a great season so far. We've been working really hard on the P-47, got a lot of parts in, a lot of progress being done to it. But now that Thanksgiving's over, and we've been eating turkey after turkey, microwave stuff, and it's over and done with. But what does that mean? That means Christmas is here. That means 12 planes of Christmas is here. And our P-47 is one of the airplanes that are in 12 planes of Christmas. So, follow me. Let's go and wrap some stuff. Hey, it's part of the P4. Oh, here comes that Mustang. It's not a radial engine, but it's still a Mustang, and it's awesome. Hey, so we're very lucky down here at the Commemorative Air Force here in Peachtree City. And when I say that, we have a lot of members that come down that are sheet metal experts. And this airplane does require a lot of sheet metal work to it. So as you can see here, they rebuilt new skins for the gear doors. And if I spin it around, that we're building parts, pieces for it. Really, we're extremely lucky because we have the talented individuals that can take a gear door that looks like this and make it look like this. This one's ready to go, ready to install. And part of 12 Planes of Christmas is showing the progress that we've been able to achieve on this airplane thanks to our wonderful volunteers here. And thanks to your donations. When you donate $1 or you donate any money, your time, energy, and effort to this project, we're able to buy things like this, which are the brakes. Our first 12 Planes of Christmas, you donated money for the brakes and the engine mount. And I just want to say, because of y'all, this airplane's coming along. We're doing it. And that's because of y'all, so we want to say thank you very much. And when you donate and you say your money is going to a particular cause, here is the cause and here's what it's going for. So this year, 12 Planes of Christmas are asking for two things, your help for two things. The first one is we need rims. As you can see, we have some of the bolts. We have the bolt hardware to bolt the wings on. The wings are getting ready to go on. They're wired. We're really making great progress with the wings. We don't have the rims. So we need money, approximately $10,000 to be able to buy rims for this airplane. We actually found the wheels, the rubber parts. They're on their way here as we speak, but we need the rims to put the airplane on the gear. The other thing we need is the leading edges, and I did an earlier video about them, but P-47, stocking. I don't know what you do with it. I'm just saying, there's a stock in here.
You're putting money in it.
It seems pretty empty. So the leading edge here that we need to have replaced, the paper's just not going to work. So it's got to go. But you can see the progress our guys have been making with it. Our team is phenomenal. We're extremely lucky here to have sheet metal gurus here in the CAF who can sit there and put everything together. The string, I mean, we are here in the South, and this may just be a banjo string. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but I don't know what they're doing with it. So anyway, the second thing we're asking for is new leading edges for the wing. And Air Corps, it has the ability to stamp out leading edges for this airplane, and they're hopefully going to take care of this for us and knock it out for us. They've been a great partner with us so far. In fact, our cowling's up there, and our flaps and ailerons are up there as we speak, getting worked on. So please consider donating for this year, 12 Planes of Christmas. Because of y'all, this airplane has grown and progressed in leaps and bounds. I just want to say thank you very much for the money y'all have given us. It's your hard-earned dollars you're putting towards this airplane, and that's not going unnoticed. So we say thank you from the bottom of our hearts from the Commemorative Air Force. Have a great Christmas. So part of the thing we aspire to be in the Commemorative Air Force is passing the torch to the next generation, teaching not only all children, but my children to love these airplanes.
Christmas time! I wonder what I got! A P-47!